Toastmost system for publicizing and organizing Toastmasters clubs on the web has now been joined by apps for iOS and Android. Here's a little bit about what you can do with them and how you get them on your phone. So I have this running on my Android phone and also on an iPad right now. I can sign up for a role by clicking the plus or withdraw from the role by clicking the minus. If I can draft somebody else to fill the role on my behalf, I can put that person in and update the agenda. If I decide that I want to, instead of being Toastmaster, I want to speak, I click on Speaker, and it'll prompt me to put in my path, my level, my project. So there's also a tab here where I can see the agenda, and I can see that my speech and speech title and timing have now been added. There is a timer app built into the system, and the nice thing about it is that it picks up the times from the agenda for the different speeches. We can click Start to time a speech. To make it easier for you to see, actually I'm going to change this from 5 to 7 minutes to 5 to 7 seconds. Also notice that every time you stop the clock, it'll give you a readout or a little log of how long that person spoke for. There is a vote counting tool. Now this also exists on the website. The app might be actually more useful in some cases, for example for in-person or hybrid meetings. So if a speaker is on the agenda, they'll show up and I can just add them by clicking the plus sign, or I can choose any other member. I could type in the name of a guest speaker and I can flesh out. So here I'm creating the ballots. I'm acting as the vote counter. As the individual doing voting, the interface looks like this. We just see a list of people. We can click on their names to vote for them. And then the vote counter might also be receiving little slips of paper or emails or text messages, some other way that they're getting those votes. They can add those to the tally and then see all the results. So I find this very useful for particularly where you're getting votes from several different channels, as in a hybrid meeting. To try this on your phone or tablet, you can go to the app setup page on the Toastmost.org website, which includes links to the pages in both of the app stores. Or you can go into the App Store. I'm going to show you here on my iPad, make it a little bit easier to see. So we'll just search for Toastmost, Toastmost. We search and we'll find a listing for that and we can download it. Now after opening this up, I can set up a connection to my account with an existing website, or I can use demo.toastmost.org if you're just testing this and you don't already have a relationship with a club that is using one of these Toastmost sites. You can just put in your email address down the bottom and we'll click OK. To add that, it'll say it's going to send off a code, and when I check my email, there's going to be an email here, and I want to click on this thing that says the magic link, and what that's going to do is actually open up the app itself. I get a little security warning here saying, is that okay to open up an app from a link? It's what I want to do, so I click OK, and now it's connected my account to the app. On the Android phone, you can go into the Google Play Store, and again, you would search for Toastmost, install, open it up, and from there, the process is just the same. So check it out, and let me know what you think.